Hello, folks. I thought I'd sit down here and grab a cup of coffee with you and have a chat. This one here, I'm going to basically talk about two things that are elusive to me. I'm going to move this up just a hair. Now I'm looking into the lens. Well, ever since I got started, way back, let's take a look how long ago it was. Come on. You know what? I'm going to do a little quick clicking around here. But ever since I started on YouTube, there's been a couple things that have eluded me. But you know what? I'm going to tell you. There we go. It says I started. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to take a guess. It's been a few years. I'll put it that way. It's not telling me how long ago. Well, wait a minute here. Oh, they've changed everything around so much I can't even find it out when I started. But the things that have eluded me, one, since they changed their monetization policy, you see, at one time you only had to have a low number of views and a low number of people watching your channel, and they'd actually monetize your YouTube. Well, they changed that a few years ago, and lo and behold, I've never been able to reach that plateau of being monetized. They said, oh, it's to help the smaller creators. Well, I'm one of the smaller creators. It hasn't helped me one bit. The other, I know a lot of people are trying for it, and that's that silver play button. Ever since I found out about it a few years ago, that's even before I moved out here to North Dakota, I've been trying to get that silver play button. But you got to have the right videos to be able to make that point. And I know a few of you are in the same boat that I am. That's why I always go like, share, and subscribe. And share again. Share with your friends. Share with your in-laws, outlaws, whoever, you know. Well, I'm going to tell you straight out. I'm still working with YouTube, trying to get it going. But there's another channel that monetizes, but I've yet to see any results there either. And that's Rumble. I've got a couple of videos on there and 27 rumbles. Sounds like a bad night of beans to me. But either way, I'm going to tell you that if you go to Rumble and find loops 1964, well, that's me. But either one is a good place to put your videos. I like YouTube because it's a heck of a lot easier to use in comparison. But I like the way that the other page monetizes your videos right away. Unfortunately, I'm not part of the board of YouTube. I still say that'd be a good way to do things. But that's just me. So I'm going to say that the elusive monetization and the elusive silver play button for me is still my goal. Besides putting out videos that will either make you think, show you a little bit about a hobby, show you that a husband and wife can be happy together, give you a good sermon once in a while. Sorry about last Sunday, I was not feeling well and I didn't do a sermon. I will be doing one this Sunday because it is necessary. Excuse me. And I'll sit down and share a cup of coffee with you. I don't think everybody will have a cup of coffee in their hands at that point in time. But I've made some good friends here on YouTube. And some of them I would have never even had the chance to talk to if it were not for YouTube. Some of them are gamers. They know more about video games than I'll ever know. There are some that have been on YouTube since its very beginning. And then there are some that are overseas that I never got a chance to talk to, but I've had a chance to get to know over the internet and because of YouTube. So YouTube can be a place of positive expansion. That's why I keep trying for that silver play button and trying to put out videos that people will watch. Or comment to. Because it's the watching, the liking, and the comments that build up the algorithms that YouTube uses. I don't know how it's done. I'm not a computer genius. Otherwise, I'd set up a channel and say, hey, let's do it this way. I can't do it. I don't have the money or the knowledge. So they did it. Yeah. So, as many hiccups as we hear on YouTube, if the YouTube community of creators, I should say, have come across over time, we still use this platform because so far it's one that works. And I'm hoping to do better videos. Not just sit down in front of the camera videos. But for those of you that are trying for the silver play and the monetization, I have words of advice. Don't give up. Keep plugging away at it. I've been doing this for quite some time. I'm going to say since 1999. I don't really know because they've changed the page round where I can't get to where I find out how long I've been here. So that's all right. I'm not no computer genius. I'm no video genius. I just want to try to succeed at something. And I need everybody's help. Thank you for watching. Set your goals high, but also set some goals you can reach. My next goal is to put out, let's see, I've been putting out about 3-4 videos. I'd like to set a goal of putting out 5 videos this weekend. I can reach that goal. What do you think? So, like, share, and subscribe, like I say, and we'll see what we can do. And I hope your channels grow. I hope you can get some videos going. And we'll see you all later. Bye-bye.